Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again today with another recipe, and this recipe is egg foo young. Egg foo young is a Chinese fried omelet, and I love egg foo young. Egg foo young is so good to me. I don't know why, but I love it because it's so good. So I'm going to try to make this recipe for you without making any mistakes. So what I'm going to do is put a cup of chicken broth. Chicken broth. And I'm going to put about a tablespoon of soy sauce. Tablespoon of soy sauce in there like that. And then I'm going to put a tablespoon, I love this, a tablespoon of fish sauce. Now you can put anything you want in your dish, whatever flavors you want. The Chinese wouldn't mind. Then we're going to stir this together, just like that. Then we're going to put a slurry, cornstarch slurry like this to make it thick. Just like this. I'm having trouble today. What's up? Okay, maybe just to make it thick. Making a mess, y'all. Excuse me. That's what it does with cooks. Messy cooks make great cooks, you know. So stir this up so it gets thick. And we'll add a little black pepper to it. And this is the sauce. Just a little black pepper. Okay. This is sauce. So it gets thick. Put a little bit more slurry in there. And this is the sauce right here, y'all. See, it's getting thick. That's what it's all about. Look at that. Oh, I'm just wasting. Okay, that's it. Now we stir this up like this till it gets thick. Now this is the sauce. Making a mess. This is how thick it's getting. This sauce is so good on the egg foo young. So get it bubbly. Taste it. That's it. That's the sauce. Real good. Now the sauce is a cup of chicken broth, tablespoon of cornstarch to make your slurry, and a half a cup of water. And you put a tablespoon of not cornstarch. You put a tablespoon of fish sauce, and you put a tablespoon of soy sauce. Let it get bubbly. Look at that. There you go. That's the sauce right there. Now we're going to take this off. I'll take this off because it's already made. Put it to the side. We'll heat our little pan up right here. So what we're going to do next is get 4 eggs and beat them up. Get the eggs up like this. And we can move this over to the side. Just 1 second. Move this to the side. Move this to the side. And we're going to show you how to do the ingredients. We're going to beat this like this. Beat the eggs, 4 eggs. And you put anything you want in these egg foo young. Okay, what we're going to do is going to add some soy sauce. Just a little like that, you know. Incorporate it. We'll add some garlic. Like that. Add some black pepper. Like that. Black pepper is so good on everything. And we're going to add some sesame seeds. Oh, just a little, not too much because you don't want to take the taste away. And we can add a little bit more fish sauce. You're going to say, where did this woman get this recipe from? Out of my head. That's where I got it from. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to use some tomatoes, some spinach, chopped spinach, some broccoli, some green onions, and some mushrooms. We're going to put all this in this pan like this. Okay, putting all this together. That's what it takes. That right there, we're going to use this spoon to blend all this together. Wow, what's that? Okay. Sauce smells so good, y'all. Sauce smells so good. So what we're gonna do now, make sure it's all blended. Now you can put any ingredients you want in your dish. And I choose to do a vegetable one. You can put shrimp, you can put sausage, Chinese ingredients, whatever you like in your egg foo young, you can do that. But I like to do a vegetable with whatever I have in the refrigerator. Okay, what we're going to do is add oil to this pan. It'll get hot like it's doing. Now in restaurants, some restaurants, they deep fry their egg foo young. But I'm not going to deep fry mine like that. I'm just going to do mine just like a regular omelet. Move all this out the way. Okay, get this all blended together. All this is blended together, and this is how we're gonna dip this into this hot oil and fry it. And the tomatoes, I like. The mushrooms, I like. And I like the garlic in this, and I just love the way this tastes. Okay, we all ready, almost ready to put this in the, oh, let's see, it's ready. Just a little tap. Nope, not quite ready yet. Almost. Okay, what we're gonna do, now me, I'm gonna put some parsley flakes in there, give more taste. I love that. And let's see, I'm gonna put some more sesame seed oil in it. I like that. And that's what I'm gonna do. Now we're gonna put this egg foo young just like this. Fry it up like that. And all your ingredients. Cut it out. Put the egg foo young. Cooking. Chinese omelet without the cheese. Fry it up like that. Now I do one at a time. I don't do a lot of them because you can save this for a later date. You know, instead of you doing it right there, you can save it for a later date, and you won't have to throw your egg foo young away. Because I don't like when it don't taste good the next day. I like to make a fresh one. The broccoli is really a good change for this. Okay, let's see, we're going to turn this over. It's not ready to turn over a little bit. Let's see. Not quite. Oh, not quite. Let's see. Oh, not quite ready yet. Flip some over. Like that. Yeah, this egg foo young smelling so good. I love egg foo young. Let's turn it over. There you go. I almost got it right. There you go. Let that cook a little bit longer on this side. Oh, the egg foo young smells so good. Now, what I want to do, excuse me, what I'm going to do is put this to the side in the refrigerator. I'm just doing one to dinner. Excuse me, I had to cough. I'm sorry. Okay, we're going to get a paper towel. I'm going to set this on a paper towel. It's almost ready. You want your vegetables to cook. The spinach, and then tomato, and garlic. Oh, this smells so terrific. You can cook it as deep as color you want, or real brown. Just want it just golden brown. But you want to make sure that your eggs is done inside, and that your vegetables is done also. Then you can put English peas, carrots, you can put those Brussels sprouts, different things you can put in your egg foo young. And I'm just doing a simple one, a vegetable one, whatever I have in the refrigerator. That's what you do too. I'm going to flip it over again. Look at that, ain't that beautiful? Let that brown a little bit. And then we're going to take this out. So now you want a little browner, you can make it a little browner. I like mine a little browner, don't you? Yes, I like mine a little brown. I don't know about you, but I like mine a little brown. This is really a treat. Now, egg foo young is healthy because I'm making it with fresh eggs and just some regular season, you know, to make it taste really good. Okay. I remember I went to a Chinese restaurant and I didn't know what egg foo young was. And then I said, what is this floating in this brown gravy? Because, you know, everybody was skeptical about eating Chinese food. So I said, what's this brown? So a friend of mine, he said, try it and see if you like it. So I tried it, and I fell in love with the egg foo young. It was so delicious. I always order egg foo young whenever I go out to dinner. And that's beautiful right there. That is a beautiful color. So we're going to take this out and put it on this pan, on this plate. Kind of messy, excuse me. Didn't do it just as right. Okay, we're going to turn this off. Move this to the side. Move this to the side. And we're going to plate it up. Some rice. Take this off the napkin and plate it like that. Oh, this is so delicious, y'all. Looks so good. Like that. And then we're going to use our sauce. There's our sauce. Oh, and egg foo young. There's our sauce here, y'all. There's our sauce. And there you go, egg foo young. That's it. This is an egg foo young, a Chinese omelet. I would like to say happy eating, and I hope you try this simple vegetable dish. You can add what you want to it, you know, shrimp, crab meat, any little thing you like to add. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating, and I hope you try this egg foo young because it is so delicious and simple. Try it tonight.